Hello, this is eSpin. We're happy to assist you with the upcoming presentation. Let us know if you need any help, and we'll be glad to be of service. CIAM, Enhancing Security and User Experience. Customer Identity and Access Management, or CIAM, comes into play. CIAM bridges the gap between user convenience and cybersecurity, empowering businesses to offer personalized, secure, and compliant digital experiences. Here are the key takeaways from this topics. Key objectives of CIAM. 1. Seamless customer registration and login. CIAM enables smooth onboarding with options like social login, single sign-on, SSO, minimize friction, and boost conversion rates. 2. Centralized profile management, where users can update personal data, preferences, and account settings across all connected services from one place. 3. Consent and privacy compliance. Platforms track and enforce user consent, support data subject rights, and ensure compliance with global privacy laws through built-in tools and audit logs. 4. Scalable and secure access controls. CIAM ensures secure authentication and authorization using MFA, risk-based access, and encryption. 5. Unified customer views across applications. CIAM enables consistent and personalized experiences across web, mobile, and third-party apps. 6. Integration with marketing and CRM platforms, customer analytics and marketing systems to deliver tailored content and campaigns based on user behavior and profile data. Core components of CIAM. 1. Identity registration and onboarding, which allows businesses to gather user data in stages over time, minimize form fatigue, and enhance user experience while still capture valuable insights. 2. Authentication and authorization, to ensure users can only access data and functions they're entitled to, protecting sensitive information and maintaining compliance. 3. Identity federation, allows users to access multiple systems or services using a single digital identity from a trusted provider. CIAM platforms implement OpenID Connect, OIDC, and SAML 2.0 to enable this functionality across cloud and on-premises systems. 4. Profile and consent management, to support privacy regulations, CIAM solutions log all user consents, provide transparent explanations of data usage, and offer tools for data export and deletion. 5. Security and risk management, equipped with advanced security features to detect and prevent identity-related threats. Risk-based authentication adapts the level of verification required based on the context, such as location, device, or time of access. CIAM architecture and technologies. 1. CIAM deployment models. On-premises, offering maximum control over data storage, security policies, and infrastructure. This model is ideal for highly regulated industries like finance or healthcare. Cloud-based, SaaS, cloud-hosted CIAM as a service, provides a scalable and resilient environment managed by the vendor. Businesses benefit from faster deployment, automatic updates, and seamless global accessibility. Hybrid CIAM, sensitive data can remain on-premises while authentication or customer-facing applications leverage the cloud. This model is valuable for organizations navigating data sovereignty regulations or undergoing cloud migration in stages. 2. Technology stack. Identity protocols facilitate secure identity exchange and authorization across systems. Together, they ensure interoperability between services, authentication libraries. These libraries and platforms simplify the implementation of login systems. They handle complex workflows like MFA, SSO, and risk-based access. User directory services manage and store customer identity data. Amazon Cognito, a cloud-native option, offers easy integration with AWS services and supports millions of users. 3. CIAM APIs and SDKs. They expose RESTful APIs that allow developers to programmatically handle tasks such as user creation, authentication, session tracking, password resets, and consent management. SDKs in common programming languages, ensuring consistent identity logic across multiple platforms and reducing time to market for digital services. Benefits of implementing CIAM. 1. Enhanced user experience, single sign-on, SSO, eliminate the need for repeated logins across apps, while passwordless authentication methods such as biometrics, email links, or mobile push approvals remove friction from the login process. 2. Scalability. Whether during seasonal surges like Black Friday or sudden traffic spikes from a viral campaign, CIAM can scale dynamically to maintain performance and uptime. 3. Regulatory compliance. It offers built-in tools for consent capture, data access controls, encryption, and user-driven data management. 4. Security hardening. Multi-factor authentication adds an essential layer of protection, while anomaly detection flags unusual login patterns or geographic mismatches. 5. Customer insights. Organizations can tailor communications, offers, and experiences. These insights not only enhance marketing effectiveness but also inform product development, customer service strategies, and long-term business decisions. Real-world use cases. 1. Retail and e-commerce. CIAM provides authentication, tracks user behavior, and manages consents for personalized marketing. Example is Amazon and Nike utilize CIAM for quick guest checkouts, personalized recommendations, and unified login across mobile or web platforms. 2. Financial services. CIAM platform detects unusual patterns and enforces step-up authentication. Example is Bank of America and PayPal use CIAM to authenticate users securely, monitor fraud using risk-based access, and maintain regulatory compliance. 3. Media and entertainment. CIAM-powered identity segmentation tool offering customized user journeys. Example is Spotify and Netflix use CIAM to enable SSO for connected devices, and use progressive profiling to enhance personalization. 4. Healthcare. A patient logs into MyChart using a fingerprint scan, biometric login, and views their medical history securely, with encryption and session management enforced by the CIAM system. CIAM implementation challenges. 1. Balancing UX and security. Excessive authentication steps can frustrate users, leading to abandoned sessions, while lenient policies open the door to threats. 2. Legacy system integration. Integrating CIAM into such environments often demands custom middleware or extensive redevelopment. 3. Privacy and consent complexity. CIAM must provide flexible consent management frameworks and localization features to navigate this complex regulatory landscape effectively. 4. Scalability bottlenecks. CIAM systems must handle unpredictable traffic surges, especially during product launches, flash sales, or holiday seasons. Best practices for CIAM implementation. 1. Start with user journey mapping. Understand how customers interact with your brand and identify touchpoints. Collect data on customer interactions. Track how customers engage with your website, mobile app, e-commerce platform, and other digital touchpoints. Define critical touchpoints. Identify where CIAM elements such as signups, logins, and preferences are most important. For example, if you're in healthcare, patient verification may need additional steps to ensure privacy. Create personas, build customer personas based on behavior, demographics, and usage patterns. 2. Implement MFA and adaptive authentication. Ensure protection without sacrificing UX. Use MFA to add layers of security. MFA, requiring something the user knows, password, something the user has, phone, authenticator app, or something the user is. Biometrics adds an additional layer of security. Implement adaptive authentication based on context. Adaptive authentication dynamically adjusts authentication requirements depending on user behavior, device, location, and risk scores. For example, if a user logs in from a familiar device and location, the system can require only the usual password, allow user control, give users the option to remember devices for MFA purposes, reduce the need for re-authentication every time they log in. 3. Use industry standards, OAuth 2.0, OIDC, SAML for interoperability. OAuth 2.0 for authorization. OAuth 2.0 is the standard for authorization. Allow third-party applications to securely access user data without needing to store passwords. OIDC for authentication. OIDC allows users to authenticate once and gain access to multiple applications or services without needing to log in repeatedly. SAML 2.0 for enterprise integration. Security Assertion Markup Language, SAML, is used primarily for enterprise identity federation. It allows businesses to integrate their CIAM solutions with existing identity providers. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope it was valuable and informative. For questions, contact us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again and have a great day.